Jioni between 5 and 10 p.m. we have to do load shedding. We have to shut off some areas to be able to power other areas because our energy haitoshi.
We're currently in Nairobi, Kenya, where as of yesterday, we have experienced the longest power outage in the history of this country. We currently don't have power right now, and we are using our filming lights, obviously, to make this video. Yeah. So we're gonna give you our input on that, and we're gonna start off with a news clip.
Join the thousands who've upgraded to reliable solar that works anywhere in Kenya, from urban apartments to off-grid Maasai villages. That's why, after watching this, most viewers fire up their phones and contact Power Africa Solar. They're the pros turning Kenya's sun into unstoppable power. At powerafricasolar.com, snag top-tier lithium batteries, custom installs, and systems built for your life. No guesswork, just results. Call us today, Nairobi office, 079-224-7397 or 07947165562. Kisumu office, 0792245589 or email us, info@powerafricasolar.com. Mention this video for a free solar installation quote